Hello and welcome to Vlogmas day 6. Yeah, it is day 6. It's a lot later today because I had some morning calls and work to do and I had to really focus on it. So I spent time doing that my morning. So now it's a lot later in the day and I get to play with my makeup, which is fantastic. I love it. Full disclosure, natural light from here, but I do have a ring light that is facing away from me and is facing a white wall that is hopefully reflecting a little bit of white light so that it's not that dark because it is getting a bit darker outside. Today I get to play with my favorite palette. Is the Urban Decay Cyber. I went to buy this with my friend. She was buying this for her birthday. That was aggressive. She was buying this for her birthday and it's just a palette of gorgeous metallic iridescent shades with 1, 2, 3, 4 nudie like matte eyeshadows. Let me get that brush. Comes with a brush. Is slightly different than the smoky palette. This bit is a lot wider. I do have a supportive act of brushes for buffing it out and smudging. Today I would like to play with a look that is sort of orangey with like blue metallic shade and it's a little bit of smoky eye, I suppose, a little bit of cat eye. I don't know what to call it like scientifically, but we're gonna play with the orange on the outer corner and then the glitter from the inside. We're gonna gently blend it into it and it hopefully will look fantastic. Is this close enough? Is the light good? Can we start? Linda, stop panicking. Suppose we start with eye primer. I'm going back to the e.l.f. putty primer. I do like the other one. I think that I need more scientific data on how this one holds up. Okay, I've got the lid and then brow bone because we are going to be blending out. I am still so overstimulated from my morning calls, but that was genuinely no time to do this earlier. At least now I don't have to rush. Okay, I don't want to talk about it, but do not get anything from the Kardashian and Dolce & Gabbana collaboration, okay? Also, I saw that Kim K is doing a collab with the North Face. I don't own anything North Face, but I like their Gucci collab, so I was looking at buying it secondhand, but now I guess problem solved. Right, so starting with this shade, right? I'm gonna go in with the provided brush, if you feel me, into the crease. We're not gonna go too high on the brow bone, just the crease, and then we're gonna go back and forth. I'm using this brush to sort of apply the eyeshadow because I don't trust myself with the wider brush, with the blendy brush, but we're gonna then blend. I don't have much to say, you guys. I'm a bit tired. It's Friday. It's been a week. I kind of want to stay away from the inner corner too. I don't want to go in too hard. Okay. I'm going to take the fluffy brush and try to soften the edges and like buff it out. Just like trying to bring it a bit upwards, just extremely gently. Okay, eye number 2. Oh, I'm extremely nervous when it comes to like adding pigment because I feel like I'm not qualified to operate heavy machinery. How did I add so much more color into this eye? I don't know. That's kind of what I was going for, so let's fix this part. I guess adding color is a lot easier than removing color. Okay, again, fluffy brush, and I'm gonna gently work on the edges. I'm not leaning. I feel like we're missing a little. Okay. Okay, that's good. And now I really want to add one more layer into the corner and crease. Cool. Not messing this up, but just like. Okay, I really like this weirdo shade. So we've got the darkest color in here. We went and played with blending out the rest to get the smoke sorta. Now we're gonna get a little bit of a primer. I'm gonna grab a little and help like place it on my inner corner. Just so that the eyeshadow sticks there and I get the sort of like drama look that I'm looking for. And I'm gonna use a little bit more, and I'm gonna just follow the inner corner and create like a little crease. And same goes for the other side, other eye. Okay, so far this looks like a good experiment. And now I'm gonna grab this shadow called Cyberspace. It's like this golden green metallic one. Right, and then apply. Same goes for the other eye. I'm not a massive fan of orange, but this like burnt, dark, deserty orange, kind of into it. I need to fix this eye. Needs a lot more glittery eyeshadow. I think I kind of messed up this eye, but not a makeup artist. I can afford sisters / cousins. I am going to very gently buff out the gold so it will blend, but I will try to stay away from this as much as possible. Now this is going to be extremely difficult for me, but we're gonna do it. And I'm also trying to go like from the orange into the gold rather than other way around. What I'm hopefully looking at, and you can kind of see with the natural light hitting it, this is sort of like not truly golden reflection because it's merged with the orange. It's like a bluey, but here we're getting the lovely gold. It really depends on where the light hits, right? So I went back into the orange lightly and I'm gonna make sure that I've got my dramatic orange crease. Yeah, I think I did quite well keeping it separate here. It blended well. I brought the left eye way too far. Listen, I brought the left eye way too far, but I don't really mind. I'm actually cool with it. Eye cream. I'm gonna go into the lower lid. What I think could look extremely cool is just, I've got tons of fallout, but we're not gonna bother tidying it with micellar water. What could look extremely cool is going in with a golden eyeliner or just doing a golden eyeshadow on the bottom. What I think I'm going to do is I'm gonna start the inner corner with, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna do the orange one on the outer corner. Beige nothingness. So it's gonna essentially just set the lid for the orange blend in. Pressing it in. And I'm bringing it quite far. Taking this brush and I'm gonna do the wraparound thing with the orange. A little bit of mascara. I think I need to get like a golden eyeliner. That would be super cool. Just mascara pulls the look together like there's no tomorrow. Oh, I forgot powder. We got our trusty puff. I've got a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This smells so good, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna find better light and I'm gonna snap a couple of photos and I'm so excited. I think, look, I don't think like this is perfect, but I am extremely happy that I continue to work on this and I'm just like getting a lot more comfortable with the colors and just with the rando skills and doing the things. Cyber Palette by Urban Decay, the most beautiful, fantastic thing. Could not recommend enough, although it's 4 years old, so you just have to really look for it now. Thank you for putting up with my shit, and I'll see you for day 7 tomorrow. Bye!